What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix error code 1005 access denied while opening websites. So let's get right into this. So this mostly happens on Google Chrome. I believe it can happen on other browsers as well, but the fix for it is essentially from your Windows device itself, right? So all you need to do to essentially fix this error is to go to your search bar, type in proxy settings until you see this pop up. Then you want to make sure you do not have proxy set up. A lot of times this does automatically get set up either through you install something, either like an add-on thing like VPN, possibly something on your computer that basically enable the proxy settings. You want to make sure this is turned off, and if this is, you'd be surprised, just straight up restarting it or even having a VPN turned off if you possibly have it on usually fixes this issue. If that doesn't fix it, the last final thing you can do is back into your search bar, just type in network reset to essentially reset your network. Everything will be uninstalled and reinstalled. All your network adapters, VPNs will be removed. This is like your second best bet to basically go down this route. Once you do this, you guys should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up. Got the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm MoTutorials out. Peace.